Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your gems over there. So welcome back to Oxygen Graphics. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a beautiful pizza banner design or flyer design on your Pixellab Pro. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, can smash on that subscribe button for more amazing videos like this, and after turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos also like this. And if you are returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate it. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. The reason why I'm using this tablet to edit video or record video is that I have some complaint on my videos that they do not see what I'm editing clearly. That's why I'm going to use landscape for Pixellab. So if you see this Pixellab as landscape, don't worry guys, you can also do this. Just rotate your phone, turn the rotation off to rotate these guys. So let's dive into this tutorial effectively. This is the kind of flyer that we are going to do today in today's tutorial. So let's open a new layer and let's delete this default. Yeah, so after you delete this default, we are going to import some image from our gallery. And if you want to import more than one image, I've made a short on it. You can just watch that short, how to import more than one image on Pixellab Pro or Pixellab. You can do this by yourself. That's what we are going to now use in today's tutorial also. So I think we are importing like 5 or 6 images. So let's just count on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's wait for it to load. So guys, after this, pick all what you want to use one by one. You can see these are all the images that we are going to use. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Yeah, you can see. The next thing that we are going to do now is that we just have to, you can do this in 2 ways. You can resize it to 100 or merge it together and resize it to 100. So any way that is convenient for you guys that will not delay your work, you can just do it. But for me, I'm going to resize it to 100 to get more quality. I will advise you to resize it to 100. That's to get your quality very well. Yeah, you can see we are done with this. So let's lock everything one by one. Yeah, after you lock it, just close that layer panel. So after this, we are going to add the text. So the first text that we are going to add is, on that text we write that you can just double click on that text to edit it. So the first text is the order now, all in capital letter. Yeah, so after this, change the color of that. We are going to change the color of this text to black. Maybe one day that black is not suitable. Wait. So after this, let's just resize it a little bit and come to this background. So turn on the background. So on this, we are going to increase this left padding to 25 and this right padding to 24. This right will be in 24 because the left is a little bit smaller than the right. That's why one is 24. You can see it is moderate. If you give it more, you can see you need this 24 or make this one 26 or that one 25, and give this top 5 and give this also 5. So we are going to increase this radius to 25 also. You can see 26, 25, 5, 5, 25. So, yeah guys, so after this, we are going to change the color of this background. The background, we are going to change the color to white because you can see it is in transparent. Just change the color here to white. Yeah, so after you are done with this, just resize it and place it under this arrow. That's the usefulness of that arrow. Just let's get to a destination. Let's move it. Yeah, so after this that we are done, let's just lock it also. Yeah, let's add another text. On this text we are going to write call us delivery. So the C in capital letter, this U for us in capital letter, and this delivery free, and the first letter will be in capital letter. Guys, we are done with this one. Don't need to do anything on this, just resize this and leave it. So the next thing that we're going to do is that we'll copy this and edit it. So on this editing, we write their mobile number. Mobile number plus 234 80 92 25 92 89. Yes, sorry guys, I think my mic just turned off, so I just have to play this and continue. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, so after we continue, we are going to continue like this. This is their mobile number. Okay, so bring this mobile number down here and give it a bold. You know that we will not bold that call us free, but we are going to bold the number. Sorry, it's not background. So we go for bold. Yeah, style and bold it. So let's look for the right position for this. Yeah, so this is so the next thing that we're going to do now is that we add another text again. So on this text we are going to write delicious, and all will be in capital letter. Yeah, so after this capital letter we are going to change the font to the Taigo. Yeah, so that's the font. I will also drop the font in the description also. Guys, sorry guys, no, this is not the font, but we are going to use this font also. Just copy this one and edit one as pizza. I think let me edit this one as pizza first. The pizza will be in that font. Yeah, pizza. So after this pizza, just have to wait and edit this one. Change the font back. I'm going to change the font to this blogger sandboard. So that's the font. You can get the two fonts on your Pixellab Pro. So let me show you where I get this. The first one, this is it under. I just move down. Yeah, this is it. Or you can use this shortcut, any one you can use. That is the font. Let's change this back to, yeah, let's check on that shortcut. Let's change this pizza to that shortcut. You can use any of it. You can use any one.
always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself.
Yeah, so we get the size of this. That's why I turn on the line also. So let's just turn it off back. So guys, wow, you can see this is amazing. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly smash on that subscribe button, like this video and share to your friend. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate it. So see you guys in my next tutorial in peace, not in pieces. Peace out.